Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to master ICT and smart money concepts. I'm going to be showing you the three main components of finding a high probability trade setup. I'm going to be showing you exactly what to do, so make sure to watch this all the way through and pause it if you need to. So the three main components of a trade setup: one is a market structure shift or a break of structure, two, fair value gap or imbalances, three, liquidity, which is simply highs and lows. Now, if we take a look at these simple examples right here, we see that we have a market structure shift. That's the first main component. The second main component is a bullish fair value gap when we are in a bullish trade setup. The third main component is liquidity. So we have buy side liquidity at these highs. This is an A+ setup. And if we look here on the bearish side, we have a bearish market structure shift. We have a bearish fair value gap, and we have sell side liquidity. So these are the three main components of a trade setup, of finding a high probability trade setup. Now let me show you an example where this played out perfectly recently on price. So you guys might already be able to see it, but remember, the first main component is a market structure shift. So where do we see a market structure shift recently? We see a market structure shift above these highs right here. So boom, we have our market structure shift. We'll mark it out. Remember, the second main component of a high probability trade setup is a fair value gap. Do we see any fair value gaps anywhere after the market structure shift? Yes, we do. We have two fair value gaps down here. So we'll mark out these fair value gaps. So that's the second main component. And remember, we are bullish. So this is a bullish fair value gap and a bullish market structure shift. What's the third main component of a high probability trade setup? Is liquidity. Do we have buy side liquidity? Yes, we do. This is buy side liquidity right here, and it is abbreviated with BSL. So we have the three main components of a trade setup. So when price is coming into this gap, we can identify that this is a high probability trade setup, and it has a higher probability to play out. And as you see, in hindsight, it did go long. This was a perfect trade, an A+ setup. Now let's go back to the three main components again, just so you can look at it. Market structure shift, fair value gaps, liquidity at highs and lows. Here's the simple examples. Today I showed you how to master ICT and smart money concepts using the three main components of finding a high probability trade setup. I showed you exactly what to do. Make sure to like and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.